I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to update your phone number on Razorpay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Razorpay account. Start by visiting a Razorpay website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, go to your Profile Settings. You can usually find this option in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Edit Phone Number. In the Profile Settings, look for the option to edit your phone number. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your new phone number. Input your new phone number in a designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues. A quick note, if you enter an incorrect number, you might miss important notifications or updates. Step 5. Verify your new number. Before starting recovery, use the Razorpay link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. That's it. You've successfully changed your phone number on Razorpay. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy transactions.